At approximately 3:40 p.m., IMPD Northwest District officers responded to the 6400 block of Kinstone Drive on a report of 2 people shot. Victim number 1, a 38-year-old man, was doing yard work on his property. His neighbor, 21-year-old Keith Allender, Jr., approached victim number 1. Mr. Allender allegedly offered victim number 1 some money, and victim number 1 refused. Mr. Allender was armed with a handgun. Victim number 1's mother arrived in a car with 2 children, ages 3 and 6. The 6-year-old went inside the house. Mr. Allender briefly walked away and returned, still armed with a handgun. Mr. Allender shot victim number 1 and his mother. The shooting was captured on a home security camera.
Attention Northwest 63, shots fired. Kinstone Drive, Metropolitan.
266, 67 Michigan. 923. 9267, 56 in Guyan. 235, 714 South.
Northwest District B63, person shot. Kinstone Drive.
55 600. 257, 529. 38.
257 238 1540.
Go Frank 201, you can also put me on that person shot, please.
Clear 1541.
Dispatch any further, I'm about 10 seconds out.
The victim is on the phone with EMS.
Units reference a person shot on Kentstone Drive. My caller is that victim is at stated the suspect left in a green SUV, possibly westbound.
Officers arriving on Kinstone Drive located an adult woman, victim number 3, who had allegedly been intentionally struck by Mr. Allender's vehicle as he left the scene. Mr. Allender drove his vehicle eastbound on West 62nd Street from Rodaball Road. While on West 62nd Street, Mr. Allender fired several shots at motorists on West 62nd Street, striking at least 3 vehicles. Mr. Allender came to a stop at the intersection of North Michigan Road and West 62nd Street. As Officer Iverson was approaching the intersection, she saw that Mr. Allender had a gun in his hand. Mr. Allender fired multiple shots at Officer Iverson, striking her patrol car.
Cars are running.
Shots fired! Control 267, shots fired, 62nd Michigan, a green Trailblazer.
A city camera at the intersection captured Officer Iverson take evasive action as Mr. Allender fired shots at her vehicle.
Cars are running.
Shots fired!
After firing at Officer Iverson, Mr. Allender exited his vehicle and shot at Officer Lauerman, who had approached Mr. Allender's vehicle from behind. Upon activation, the body-worn camera saves the previous 30 seconds of buffered video without audio.
Recording.
Stop the car!
Hold on.
Control, I need a car. Step it up, get behind me at 62nd at the Ace, lock and keys. They're getting in the car. Stop the car! Put your hands outside the window!
62nd in Georgetown, step it up. Second.
263, I'll be in pursuit. Green trailblazer going southbound on Michigan. He popped up, shot at me. We're going southbound 268. I'll be calling it. Copy plate.
The pursuit traveled southbound on Michigan Road for approximately 4 miles before Mr. Allender turned west onto West 30th Street. At 1600 West 30th Street, Mr. Allender turned into a closed gated area of Indianapolis Fleet Services. At that location, Mr. Allender opened his door and fired at officers. 5 officers discharged their service weapons. The following is in-car camera video from a third IMPD vehicle which joined the pursuit. It depicts the pursuit from the point it went westbound onto 30th Street. A small number of IMPD vehicles are equipped with in-car cameras.
Westbound 30th Street. North Carlson intersection. Number 6 car was chased. Get out. No, westbound on 30th Street. Speed 75.
Stopping at the garage, full traffic.
Stop at the full traffic.